Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick, easy, juicy mayonnaise marinade chicken. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So let's get started. I'm starting off with the base of my marinade, which is going to be mayonnaise. You can use whichever mayonnaise you have on hand. Then to that I'm going to be adding a little bit of rosemary. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of turmeric. This is just to brighten up the color of our chicken. And then lastly, I'm going to be adding some garlic flakes. The next ingredient is optional, but I strongly recommend it, and that's some dried chives. Then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of lemon juice just to balance out the flavors. Going to give that a quick mix to evenly distribute everything. If you are someone who doesn't like marinades that have chunky pieces, you're more than welcome to blend this in your blender for just a few seconds to smooth out everything. I don't mind it, so I'm just going to proceed as it is. So next we're going to check out our chicken, and the chicken has been cleaned. I also seasoned it with a little bit of salt and pepper. This is just the preparations that I did before, and it's very important for you to season it with some salt because we didn't add much of any saltiness into our marinade. So then I'm just going to scoop half of the mixture of the marinade onto the chicken. Then I'm just going to brush it out onto all the chicken pieces. Make sure that it's evenly distributed on the top and at the bottom, just to make sure that all the flavors are nicely absorbed by all the chicken pieces. I'm using drumsticks, but you're more than welcome to use whichever chicken pieces you have on hand. I'd strongly recommend against using chicken breasts, especially if you're not going to cut them to be a little bit smaller, because they will take much longer to prepare. I'm preparing my chicken on a stovetop, but this recipe is suitable for marinating chicken that you're going to be braising or even oven baking. I'm going to add my chicken onto my grill skillet, and then I'm going to be cooking my chicken at a low medium heat. I strongly recommend that you start practicing cooking at low heat if you're not already. Not only does it ensure that you don't burn your meat, but it also ensures that your meat remains nice and juicy throughout the whole entire process of cooking, and also it's more enjoyable when you're eating. So my heat setting is on setting number 4 on my stovetop, and I'm just going to allow this to cook for about 45 minutes, and I'm going to be turning it around continuously as I cook. And as you turn it around, please also baste it. The basting is just to also ensure that more flavor gets absorbed into your chicken. So the one thing about chicken is it's very hard to cook on a stovetop, especially grill style like I'm doing, and it's very easy for you to get it wrong in terms of the cooking time. The one way you can check if your chicken is done is if there is no more blood coming out on any parts of the chicken. If you still see a little bit of blood coming out, do continue cooking your chicken a little bit longer because it's not yet ready. So then I'm done with that process, and you can see that as I am cooking it, I am basting it, and that is basically it. I've garnished my chicken with a little bit of parsley and some cayenne pepper chilies, and that is it for this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Comment in the comment section, like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.